good in back good. Okay. So what is cleansing? అది కదా గట్టిగా రుద్దుకుంటారు soap వేసుకుని. It's Kaya Everyday Essential. What happened to my tongue? I keep like stumbling.
You better stop!
Oh shit.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya. First of all, happy weekend you all. Like I know nothing is happy, but then yay! So today we are going to talk about a simple basic step which could bring a drastic change in your skincare game. I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this, like James Welch, Hiram as well. But then I was like, they told that they only wash their face once in a day, and I was like, what? Are you serious? Yes, you heard it right. They only wash their face like once. And then I was like, how is that possible? Because we were always fed up in our minds that we're supposed to cleanse our face twice. Like whatever the face wash you're buying, it was always written you wash your face twice, morning and the night. Most of the people, you just have to wash your face once a day and it's enough. I know it seems strange, but let me get you there. So it turns out to be that your skin is intelligent enough and good enough to create its bad and good set of bacteria which will protect you from the external environment and heal and protect itself from within. So if you overwash your face, it will either strip away all the oils which are good for your skin to heal, and it will make it so dry and it will break it out. Or if you do not wash your face, it will just clog your pores too much that your pores would not like rejuvenate itself. Like there won't be new skin production happening in your face, if that makes sense. Actually, different people have different types of skins, but it technically depends on the weather. Like let's say because it's humid right now, your skin might get a little oily and greasy. So you should basically change your skincare regime depending on the weather. If you feel like your skin is way too oily and you just have to cleanse your face, then go for it. If you're comfortable with that regime and it's working for you, go for it. But then if you're a person who's suffering with something or the other skin issue, I think it is because you're either overstripping your face or not cleansing it properly. So it has been fed in my mind that I am supposed to wash my face twice a day, and then I just couldn't get over that thought. But then when I heard about this, I thought, okay, this actually makes sense. Like, so I actually tried it out. So what I did was, before going to bed, I would just wash my face, like put a dime size of face wash onto your palm and foam it up. Okay, if you're using a foaming face wash, it would be great. But then you can either foam it up between your palms and foam it up, and then massage it for 60 seconds, and then wash it off. After I'm done with that, I follow my night regime. After that, I wake up next in the morning, and the first thing I do is after I brush my face, like brush my teeth, I splash my face with some water and go pat my skin with a towel so that it won't, I don't like drag it or anything. I just pat my face with the towel, which is very soft, and I keep a separate towel for my face. I think you guys should do it. It will make a lot of difference for you guys. So like just tap it off and then go with your skincare, like the regime you follow. And that just changed my face texture, and I don't know, it started healing by itself. Like obviously I'm using other products which I'm using to get rid of the acne marks and everything, but then my pimples just stopped coming. The dryness, everything just went off. Like I was like, wow, what did I do all of these years? Why didn't I know about this? And I think a lot of people don't know about this. That's why I made this video. I think this is the right time you should try this out, because you are at home technically and you have nothing to do. Maybe just like, it's very easy. Like you can just not wash your face in the morning. It's so simple, yeah. I hope that this works out for you guys. And also I have few suggestions of face washes. So let me just get into that quickly. So this is the first face wash which I am addicted to at this moment. So this is Biotic Bio Honey Gel. Skin like normal to dry skin type people can use this. This works great. And then next I have for a combination skin type, which is this face wash by Aroma Magic. It's a grapefruit face wash. Don't worry, I'll link all the items in the description box below so that you guys can check it out and give it a shot. So this is skin lightening and pore tight. If you are someone who has a problem of like visible large pores, this might be a very good option. And next is for those kind of people who have sensitive skin, and this is also my favorite face wash. It is from Kaya. It's Kaya's Everyday Essential Sensitive Face Cleanser. This is more on the creamier side of a face wash. I mean, these both are like more of a gel side, and this is a creamier side of face wash. My mom loves this a lot, so do I, but I very rarely use this. So these three face washes are very good. If you are someone who has a lot of acne and pimples, I think even Himalaya, the green colored up, I'll insert a picture over here. That face wash also works great. Like, it will just be like a good face wash for you to balance your pH level and everything. I hope you guys like this video, and I please like want you guys to try this out, because it has done like so much help to my skin. Like, it has been craving since like my childhood, and your skin will thank you for doing this, I guess. So I hope you like this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon.
The fuck up.